Okay, I'm out here at the teepee, and I'm going to show you some of the flood damage. This was my Orno foundation. As you can see, the water washed most of my stones down towards the draw. And I had 3 very large piles of materials. I had a yard of sand, a yard of chat, and about a yard of clay, which is now gone. All of these stones have been washed out of the Orno foundation. My hoses, my dishes, yeah, pretty much everything has been washed down here. This was all very neat and organized. As you can tell, the water relocated everything. Wow. Hey, there's part of my groceries. That was dinner. It is no more. The interesting thing is, and the thing that I worried about the most, were my compost piles. Now, while some things have definitely been washed out of them, the human air compost pile is intact. You can see from the debris on the fence just how tall it got, about 3-4 feet. A lot of stones and a lot of trash have been washed down into the creek bed. Now let's go look inside the teepee. Because last night it was a disaster. Wow, the garden spot that I was working on has partially washed away and sprouted tons of mushrooms. So everything looks pretty bad. My son Justin did come down here and pull out my footlockers full of clothing. But as you can see, let's go ahead and open this. Oh, he didn't shut it right anyway. Okay. Now let's take a good look. Okay, mud is covering everything. There are already spider webs. Wow. Okay. Oh my God. Well, my zere is full of water. My peanut butter is still there. My little fern didn't die. Some of the spearmint I had planted around that zere has washed away. I had a very large bag of tools. The tools seem to be out of the bag, and the bag is nowhere to be seen. Toilet paper. That is the hardest commodity to keep in a teepee. Everything is out to get it. Now, I don't know why there's mud on the top of my little bed, but as you can see, the bed was full of muddy water. The rugs are ruined. The things that were under here being stored are gone, but look, there is new life. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Well, after 2 days, those are probably the damn seeds I threw out to sprout a month ago. My spring frame is probably ruined, but now I can take that insulation down that I had behind my liner. My son took the liner down, and wow, the rope has mildewed. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really bad. The teepee is absolutely filthy. But some of my lanterns are completely gone. My medicine's gone. My shoes are ruined. But everything that's under here, including my mouse probably. Hey, my lantern and the clock. Well, it's okay. Let's see, the things that I had over here, my printer, are okay. I see they were all thrown up very quickly to get them out of the rain. Well, this has me thinking now about consumerism and what we really do with our money, because of all the things I've lost, which is almost everything, I can't think of anything that floated out of this place that I really want to replace. This is like a house cleaning. So I think I might jump the fence and get my damn bowl. Or not. No, maybe I'll stick with ceramics. Something heavy that won't float away. That's sustainable. But I'm going to rethink my buying strategy. I don't want to replace those things that I haven't used in months, that were just taking up space. Wow. That took so much work. And it was about to be my Orno. And now, in fact, I was going to cook my Thanksgiving turkey in it. But the materials were expensive. They're now gone. Hey, my lawnmower is still there. Well, anyway, I told you I'd show you the damage. The amazing thing is, my battery, my marine battery, which was submerged because the water got up to about here, it's still charging. My solar panel is charging my battery, and if I still had a blow dryer, I could blow dry my muddy hair in the mornings. You can see where the debris got you on the fence over here, how high the water was. But for now, I'm not going to relocate my home. I'll just leave it where it is. The neighbor has assured us that this doesn't happen very often, not here in San Angelo, in the desert. I know I said that on my last flood video, that this would never happen again. And guess what? It did. So maybe I'll put my teepee up that way. Anyway, there it is. I'll put this on Facebook so everybody can see. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to replace anything that actually floated away, because I don't even remember for sure what all I had. So it wasn't even necessary. So I'm not going to waste my money. The only thing I wish I still had was my toothbrush. Those are cheap enough. So, have a good day, and I'll get this posted.